Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mozzarella bites. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 16 ounces of fresh mozzarella, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs whisked with 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't forget 1.5 cups of your favorite seasoned breadcrumbs. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's prepare the mozzarella. Start by cutting your fresh mozzarella into 1-inch cubes or sticks, whatever shape you prefer. Next, dredge each piece in the all-purpose flour, making sure to shake off any excess. Then, dip the floured mozzarella into the egg wash. Finally, coat each piece thoroughly with the seasoned breadcrumbs, ensuring a nice, even layer for that perfect crunch. It's time to cook our mozzarella bites to golden perfection. You can fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. If you prefer baking, place them on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Either way, ensure the cheese is melted and the coating is wonderfully crisp. Once cooked, serve your mozzarella bites immediately. They are absolutely delicious with a side of warm marinara sauce or a creamy ranch dressing. For an extra touch, you can garnish them with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy them while they're warm for that irresistible gooey center. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.